Dear students of class 12, welcome to our online classes. I am Mahbubi Alam, Senior Lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. Today, we will solve a complete creative question from chapter 6, and it is a board question, Dhaka Board 2018, and question number 6. Today, we will solve the question of Dhaka Board 2018, question number 6. Now, I will write the question in board and then I will solve step by step. The question is SSC 2018, question number 6. A website is created for Chandana Model College by using only HTML. There is a picture in its homepage with the name of ict.jpg and its size is 200 into 300 px. There is a link of notice page under the picture with the name of notice.html. There is a heading Welcome to Chandana Model College with the color of blue above the picture. In this website, there is no opportunity for the visitors to write any comments. This is our stem, and there are some remarkable words in this stem. Here, at first, ict.jpg. This is a picture, and its size is 200 into 300. First one is width, and second one is height. This is the process, and there is a link. There is a link under the picture. That means link's name is notice, and the link page name is notice.html. This is a notice.html. These are the remarkable words, and above the picture there is a heading Welcome to Chandana Model College. This is a heading. So in my web page there are three items, only three items. First one is Welcome to Chandana Model College, second one is a picture, and third one is a link with notice page. Now read the question. What is web portal? Number 2, explain the importance of hosting. Number 3, write down HTML code for homepage of above stream. Number 4, how can we get visitors comment in this website? Analyze it. Now we will solve the question. First question is, what is web portal? And the answer is, web portal is the collection of different links, content, service, etc. Users can get any information from web portal easily. And you know, web portal is very helpful to get necessary information. And our next question is, explain the importance of hosting. And hosting, what is hosting? Upload the content of any website to a specific server is called hosting. And it is very important, because if you do not upload your content, then how can it possible to see or visit by others? So it is very important part of website publishing. If we do not upload the content of website, then no one can see it. So hosting is very important. Now our next question is, write down HTML code for the homepage of the above stream. Now write here HTML and then body, P align equal to center. It means that our heading or content will be always in center position. For this reason I use here P align equal to center. And Welcome to Chandana Model College must be in blue color. For this reason I use here font tag. This is a font tag, and font tag's attribute is color. So I use a font and color name is blue. Welcome to Chandana Model College, and font close and also P close. P means paragraph. I have taken as a paragraph. This line as a paragraph. You can take as a heading if you want to take as a heading, then you need to write H1 or H2 or H3 up to H6. But I use here P10. Both is correct. Next line is PLN equal to center image SRC. This tag is used to add image in web page. int means image, SRC means search, and image name are given in your question ICD.jpg, and its width equal to 200 and height equal to 300, and I also close P10. And our next line is PLN equal to center href. href means hyperlink reference. This tag is used to link external or internal link, and A is a anchor tag. This is fixed for link section or link tag. A href equal to, this is the link name or our page name, and this is the output. And I close here A, and then I close P tag, and finally I close body tag and then HTML tag. This is our code. Now if you run this program by using any browser, that means Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, any other browser, then you will get the output like this. Now I will draw the output. If you run this program or code by using any browser, then you will get this type of output. First line is welcome to Chandana Model College, and this will be in blue color, and next there is a picture. ICD.jpg is a picture and its size is 200 into 300 px, and notice you will get like this is the output. Notice is a link, and every link there is an underline, so there is underline here, and all are in middle center position. As I use center tag in paragraph, for this reason all content, this and these three contents will be in center position. I think you can understand. Now dear students, our last question is, how can we get visitors comments in this website? Analyze it. This is a 4-mark question, so you have to use 4 paragraph. As the mentioned website is created by using only HTML, so it is a static website. In static website, there is no option to give comments for the users. The reason is there is no database server for static website. On the other hand, dynamic website is created by using HTML, CSS, PHP, MySQL, etc. MySQL is used to create database server to store user comments. So if we want to get visitors comments, then we have to change the structure of this website, static to dynamic. Our answer is we have to change the structure static to dynamic, and then again we need to publish this website. After completing this task, visitors can give comments. To understand it, I mention again, there are 2 types of website. Number 1 is static and number 2 is dynamic. Static website is created to see the information. Just you can see the information, and only owners can upload information in this website. But in dynamic website, it is created by using HTML, CSS, PHP and MySQL. Basically, MySQL is used to create a database server, and in this server, visitors can keep their document, visitors can give comments or document. For this reason, in static website, there is no opportunity to give comments by the user, but in dynamic website, it has lots of opportunity to give comments by the user. So I think you can understand this created question properly, and thanks everybody to observe.